Hello everybody, welcome back. Today at the Pedal Commander headquarters, we had a 2019 Chevrolet Blazer. For those of you not familiar with the Blazer, it comes in a little bit bigger than the Chevy Equinox, smaller than the Traverse. Great machine, it's been out for many decades. 3 different motor options for your Blazer this year. You have a 2.5 liter, later in 2020 I believe it's going to get a 2 liter turbo. They also come with a 3.6 liter V6. I believe that's the one we had in our shop today. Uses a PC-75. All right, so let's talk about the install process. If you have a new 2019-2020 Blazer and you do have a proximity key, good idea to open your driver door, and you're going to want to take your key and keep it at least 30 feet away from the vehicle. When the key is close to the vehicle, it's going to constantly monitor and to see if you're within the vehicle's range to start it. So it's a good idea to keep that away. It allows the ECU to fully shut down. All components of the car have gone to sleep, so then you can go ahead and start unplugging your sensors. You will want to unplug it on the gas pedal, plug the pedal commander into one side, your existing cable that was there, plug it into the other side of the pedal commander unit, and you are good to roll. And guys, don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms, and make sure you head out to our new website, www.pedalcommander.com. We'll see you guys out there.